Hey, so today I'm gonna show you how to assemble this entryway cabinet. I recently came up with them like a couple of days ago. So that is what you're going to have in the kit. Basically, it's a very straightforward kit. You only need glue, you don't even need baby sharks that I love very much. So you're gonna have the back panel, the side panels, the things to assemble this bottom section, two drawers, and those moldings. So yeah, pretty straightforward kit. So let's start. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to assemble this top section. You're gonna need this back panel and two of those panels. They're gonna go like that, but before gluing them together, you're gonna need this tiny piece to glue in between them. I prefer this, you see it's not exactly even, so this smaller part goes into the bottom section and this bigger part is gonna go to the top section, and after you glue it like that, you are going to glue it inside the body of the cabinet. So now it's time to assemble the bottom part. In this cabinet, if you notice, the top drawer slash opening is a bit bigger, sorry, it's a bit bigger than the bottom one. So that's what you're gonna need to do that. You're gonna need those two pieces and you're gonna need those three pieces. So this piece you're gonna have to take like that, see, so that the distance between top and bottom is different. So that where the piece is longer, it's gonna be the lower side of the cabinet. So you are going to glue it like that, and then you're going to take those two pieces imitate those like drawer thingies. So again, they are, you see those parts are uneven, so this piece is going to go inside this hole, so that when you glue it, it looks like, a second, yep, like that. Sorry, I promise it fits. It's just hard to look at it so that I don't get my head in the video. So yeah, so that's gonna look like that. And after that, you're gonna take one of those pieces and glue it on top, and the other piece you're gonna glue on the bottom. So you're gonna get the structure like that. And after that, you're gonna have to attach the side pieces, making sure everything, you know, connects. And I mean, if you ever assembled my laundry cabinet, that really should not be a problem. But yeah, basically you connect everything, make sure that everything clicks, fits. In here, this connection is gonna look like that, see? So you're sort of gonna put this panel on top of the other panel. So you are going to have to glue it like that. Promise everything fits. Just need to like squeeze everything everywhere. So that, yeah, after you glue the side pieces, that's what you're gonna get. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're gonna glue on those like things that cover those burn marks. I decided to include them in these cabinets at least. So it looks like that. Make sure when you glue this panel, it is aligned with the top. So there should be a small gap, which I don't know if you can see. So yeah, there should be a small gap in here. And after that, you slide the countertop in. That's why we had those gaps in here, so that the countertop goes directly under the frame. And put in the drawers, and you're done.